Welcome to our guide on how exercise can transform your health. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining good health is more important than ever. Exercise is not just a routine, it's a vital component of a healthy lifestyle. It boosts your energy, improves your mood, and strengthens your body. Whether you're looking to enhance your fitness or simply improve your well-being, incorporating physical activity into your daily routine is crucial. In this video, we'll walk you through the benefits of exercise and provide tips to make it a natural part of your life. By the end, you'll see why exercise is your key to better health. Stay with us as we explore easy exercises you can start today. Let's embark on this journey towards a healthier you together. Exercise isn't just about sculpting the perfect physique. It's a powerful tool for enhancing overall health. Regular physical activity significantly improves cardiovascular function, helping your heart pump more efficiently and reducing risks of heart-related diseases. But the benefits don't stop there. Exercise is a natural mood booster, releasing endorphins that elevate your spirits and combat stress and anxiety. It's like nature's own antidepressant. Additionally, consistent workouts lead to improved physical fitness, increasing your strength, flexibility, and endurance over time. Imagine feeling more energetic and confident in your daily life. Whether you're jogging in the park or lifting weights at the gym, each session contributes to a healthier, more resilient you. In our next segment, we'll explore simple exercises you can incorporate into your routine, making the journey towards wellness both achievable and enjoyable. Stay tuned for practical tips on embracing a fitter lifestyle. Welcome to the heart of your new daily routine. Today, we explore simple exercises anyone can incorporate into their day, no matter their fitness level. Imagine starting your morning with gentle stretches, awakening your body and mind, or perhaps a brisk walk during your lunch break, revitalizing your energy for the afternoon. These small steps are easy to integrate into your life, setting the foundation for a healthier you. For beginners, finding the right exercises can feel daunting, but fear not, as we guide you through each move with tips tailored just for you. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress. Start slow, listen to your body, and gradually build up your endurance. Staying motivated is often the hardest part. Set achievable goals, track your progress, and celebrate small victories along the way. Whether it's a daily reminder on your phone or a motivational playlist, find what keeps you going. Exercise is not just a task, it's a journey towards better health. By incorporating these easy routines into your day, you're taking meaningful steps towards a healthier lifestyle. So why wait? Start today and embrace the positive change. In our next segment, we'll tackle common exercise challenges and show you how to overcome them with ease. We all face challenges when starting a new exercise routine, whether it's lack of time, motivation, or knowledge. These barriers can make it difficult to stay committed. But every challenge has a solution. If time is your enemy, try short, high-intensity workouts that fit into any schedule. Struggling with motivation? Join a class or find a workout buddy to keep you accountable. Unsure about what exercises to do? Start with simple routines and gradually increase complexity as you grow more confident. Let's hear from real people who've overcome these obstacles. Meet Sarah, who found her groove with early morning yoga sessions that fit her busy lifestyle. Or John, who turned his lunchtime walks into a habit that boosted his energy and productivity. These stories remind us that overcoming challenges is possible and crucial for making exercise a sustainable habit. As we address these common barriers, remember, each small victory leads to long-lasting change. You're not alone in this journey, and with the right approach, you can turn exercise from a daunting task into a rewarding part of your everyday life. As we reach the end of our journey, let's reflect on the profound benefits that regular exercise brings to our lives. It boosts cardiovascular health, enhances mental clarity, and strengthens our bodies, paving the way for a healthier future. So why wait? The perfect time to embark on this path is now. Embrace the challenge, overcome the hurdles, and witness the positive changes unfold. And if you're eager for more insights and tips to enhance your fitness journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us today. Here's to committing to a healthier, more active life. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to improve your health and happiness through exercise.